According to a recent study, Americans pay nearly $1,600 towards their debt each month. And we know that's no small change, but the alarming part is what lurks beneath the surface. However, in this video, we'll dive deep into something that hits close to home for many of us, which is debt. So join me as we uncover these hidden costs and learn to navigate our finances more wisely. What's up, thinkers? Chris Robinson here, reminding you guys to like the video, subscribe, and take notes to benefit from this free knowledge. Enough said, let's jump into the video. So earlier, I mentioned on average, Americans pay about $1,600 a month towards their debt. However, that's not even including the interest. It is also shown that in a recent study that on average for each individual account, Americans is paying about $69 a month just towards interest. Knowing these alarming amounts, I decided to put together this video to help us get out of this debt trap. So what exactly is a debt trap, you ask? Well, it's simple. It just means that you're spending more than you earn, relying on credit cards and loans in order to fill in the gaps, which is known as a classic recipe for a debt trap. But the worst part is that it's a vicious cycle that is hard to get free from. However, I didn't put together this video to dwell on the problem, but to rather find a solution. With that being said, let's explore some options and tips to help you tackle that debt to make your financial struggles a little less worrisome. Okay, so you probably didn't want to hear this, but the first step is to pretty much build up your saving. That is because it's like having a shield against those unexpected trap makers that pop up when you least expect it. But speaking of savings, that actually remind me of a video I just recorded about high yield savings account. So I highly recommend that you watch that video after this one so that you can learn how you can maximize your earnings with one of these accounts. And the good part about having one of those high yield savings accounts is that you can sign up today with a $0 deposit. Okay, so I know most of us is not good with savings, and if this is you, I suggest that you start small by adding small amounts of money to a savings account of a goal of like $1,000 as emergency fund whenever you need it. And once you achieve this goal, you can simply work your way up to about 3 or even 6 months of expenses. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, if you're already caught up in the debt cycle, there's no need to panic because I got a game plan for that as well. Okay, are you ready for that game plan? However, you got to keep it low because it's quite a secret. The game plan is about setting a goal. However, I know some of you probably didn't want to hear that, but setting a goal is essential to your success in anything in life. And what is a better way to set a goal than developing SMART goals? But if you don't know what a SMART goal is, it requires you to make your goals specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. And I know I've lost most of you at this point because of its simplicity. However, trust me, setting a goal and having a clear plan in place can help you tackle this debt head on. And some advice for these goals can be as simple as tackling and paying off these high interest accounts first, or you can go for those small wins by paying off those smaller balance accounts first. But I could say, whatever the case may be, consistency is key. Also, I could say if you're a part of a military community, you also have some extra backup to help you, because you can take advantage of consumer credit protection as well as financial counseling to guide you through your journey of financial freedom. Alright guys, so that's my cue. But remember, you're not alone within this journey. But with a little knowledge and determination, you can break free of this debt trap and pave the way for your financial future. And once again, don't forget to watch this video here where you can maximize your earnings with one of these savings accounts. Until next time, stay savvy, stay smart, stay financially free. Peace.